guess you're gonna draw a cyber butterfly.
And here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end.
Yeah, I really like this one.
Yeah, me too. It's one of my new favorites. Well, they kind of all are my favorite, but we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. And for this lesson, we're using our markers, and also at the end, we're using our kind of secret weapon, which is this Posca marker. I'm using a blue one, but you also have a green one.
Yeah.
You don't have to use these. You could just use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our little butterfly's head. We're gonna draw it in the middle of our paper, but a little towards the left so that we have room for the wings. So I'm gonna draw it over here. We're gonna draw an oval shape that's also tipped to the side or diagonal. Now let's add some cool details to the butterfly head. We're gonna start right here and let's draw an oval shape inside. And then we can also add another oval shape that's smaller inside. That one. Yeah, and then let's draw the angry eyebrows. I'm gonna draw a little letter V, kind of. And then we're gonna draw an eye here and an eye that comes down like that. Ooh, it's starting to look cool.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we can draw maybe the front mouth kind of shape. And also let's draw a diagonal line over or down, then over, and then back up. Okay, now let's add antenna on top. I'm gonna draw two curved lines coming out. And then at the very end, we could also add a little oval shape. Ooh, that looks really cool.
Yeah.
I like yours. That's awesome. Okay, next let's draw the body. We're gonna draw it right here, and we're gonna draw this kind of circle shape that's connected to the head. Then let's draw an arm. We're gonna draw it sticking out to the side. I'm gonna draw two diagonal lines. So one's inside and one's on the out. Yeah, and then we could draw a little curve at the top. Then connect here. Then let's draw the arm bending forward. So I'm gonna draw a curve here and then curve back in. Oh, kind of just a weird football or leaf shape. It's a little tricky. It kind of looks like the body, but this is like a big arm that's coming down. Okay, we're gonna draw more stuff. Let's draw a curve here for the shoulder. Then a curve across the chest. And a curve down. Then let's draw the rest of the body, actually. Let's draw curving this way. Down. And then a little curve forward. And then right here, we can curve back around and then connect into the arm. Okay, we're gonna add more stuff on the body, but let's come over here and we're gonna draw this other arm right here. So it's this shape, but on the back. Yeah, and then we can draw the little claw right here. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, next let's draw more stuff down here at the bottom. So I'm gonna draw right here, curving from there up. We can imagine it going behind the arm and a little one there. Then let's draw a couple curves going down the belly and a couple curves going on the outside. Okay, it looks so cool, but we're missing something really important.
The wings.
Yeah, the butterfly wings. Let's draw the first big one coming right out of the head. We're gonna draw it coming way up here. I think the bigger you make this, the cooler. Then we're gonna draw it coming down. And then we're gonna bend it going into the body. Okay, now let's draw a really cool shape. We're gonna first draw a diagonal line here, and then another one down here. Okay, watch this. This is gonna be cool. We'll draw it curving in first. We'll do it one step at a time so I don't lose you. So I'm kind of close. And then we're gonna draw it curving out and back in. Okay, there's the two wings on this side. We got to draw them on the other side and make it look 3D. So we'll first draw this curve coming out here. Then we're gonna draw it curving back, down, and in so that it kind of connects in the same place. And then for this wing, we're gonna draw it here and here. We want them to kind of look the same or the same width. And then we can draw it curving in, getting closer. And then this cool little detail we're gonna add right at the end. Now let's add more of these lines on our wings. So first, you don't have to draw these exactly like us, but we could do these together so that they kind of match.
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw diagonal, short diagonal, another one back, and then in. Let's kind of create that same shape over here. So we go up, diagonal, short one, that, and then back in. Yeah, okay, and then let's draw here, there, and back up. And then the same thing over here to match. Then we can add lines or details coming out of each of these little corners on this shape. And then I'm going to do the same over here. Now it's really starting to look like a cyber or mech butterfly. I'm going to draw just a bunch of these coming down. Well, there's four of them. So I'm going to add those over here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's add those cool lines on the bottom wings. I'm going to start here, and I'll draw a diagonal line going up, and then over. And then matching on this side. It's kind of different, but that's okay.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. And then let's go down and here, down there. And then I'm going to add 2 lines going down on the bottom. Okay, we could even add more, but let's leave it just like that. We still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end, you could match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
We finished coloring our butterflies. They turned out awesome. I especially like that little extra details we added. We colored the whole thing gray, dark gray, and then what did we use for the lights?
Poscas.
Yeah, we use these paint markers. Now, if you don't have these, you could add the color first and then use the gray around it. But these are really fun to just add it on top. It's really fun to use.
And we also added the ground as a little shadow.
Yeah, it kind of makes it more 3D, but you could also add an entire background. That would be really cool.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a cyber butterfly.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. We'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.